I've also come with a new topic as my everyday routine. So now today I'm going to tell you about the history of numeration. So yeah, I think that you are not understanding about the numeration. So this numeration is also called as the power of count. So one of the most talent need work to teach the child to how to count. The sequence of the numbers is so much hard to teach. So the numeration is also based on that. That is how to count. Do you know that there are many kind of funny matters of the numeration for the count? In the ancient time, some of our ancestors used only two words to make all the long words. And do you know that? Then these two words was efficient for counting, but now it's not efficient because we have to use many kind of electronic devices, and also we are doing a lot of kind of things, many kind of algebra, etc. So now there is a lot of importance of this many kind of name of some number. So at first, in the previous time, the Tasmanian and also the African think a matter, that is 1 and 2. When they want to tell about 1, then they tell 1. When they think 2, then they tell 2. But when they think 3, then they tell 2 and 1. When you add these two things, then you can understand 3. 4, 2, 2. 5, 2 to 5. 6, 2 to 2. Oh, this kind of equation they made in the previous time. But now we have know about a lot of kind of words such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9, 10. So all these things are based on this equation. So do you know that the America when they try to tell the 100, they use the Greek word because their words were so much weak to express your mind's work. When they try to express, then they tell the 100 as the Greek word 1000. 1000 means 100, and after that this 10 tuna. So this kind of equation make those equation hard and harsh. When they try to teach a student, then they take many kind of rocks. Now we are in the modern time, we are using mobile, toys and another kind of things. But in the previous times, they use only a stick. And when they broke the stick, when they break this stick from the middle, then it becomes 2. So tell 2. So when they cut that in 3 pieces, then they tell 2 and on. 2 and on. What's the equation? 3. So then a fair share of title of this kind of words they use. Means in one way, a lot of they use like this kind of rule. So they do follow these rules for a long time. 10 hand. Well, which kind of word is it? 10 hand also used. And some I think that now as my videos are the topics are I think so much hard to know. So when the numeration system go day by day, then the numeration go to algebra, because they also think about the geometry and the algebra. They see that they have a equation for solving any kind of problem. But now this equation is not efficient for them, because now they have to measure plastic, grain, and also many kind of toys, coins, etc. So they need another kind of things that they have to one of a country, British Columbia, to get a new theory. That is what is the new theory? This new theory is that 7 distinct words for counting. Now let's know about these 7 distinct things. At first, this is one of the equation, alif, alif. When they cut this place, Then two pieces of it. Now I have talked about pieces. So this kind of equation they make for boat, for cycle, for animal, for human, and for another kind of instrument, another objects in one word. So do you know that when they make this another kind of objects matter, then they get the perfect equation to get the numeration system in the higher level. Well, now there is another five things is that nobody knows in which date the numeration system go to a standard, go to in a perfect way. But people think that if we think about in the middle time, because when the man firstly make their home by wood, bamboo and another kind of instruments, they understand how to pet animal. So when they become understand about the world, then they have know about these things. So the day was going good of them, and all the equation they can solve easily. But grain cannot rise. Rice is uncountable. Can you count 1 kilo rice? I think you can't. You can't wait 1 kg rice, because then you will count like that 1, 2. So it's not well for them. Then they make understand of weight, and after understanding the matter of weight, they solve this problem. But now they think that we have to understand about a machine or another kind of technology that can help us. So they tried a lot about knowing this kind of equation. And when they go to hunting in a forest, such like they eat boar and another kind of animals. So when they go to hunt that, then they have also to count the pieces of the meat. But this equation of the pieces of the meat are so much hard. This is an example. And take another look. Then think it's a one of the animal. At first they have to count like that. Cut these things. A lot of pieces. Think this is the pieces. Then when they give like that, then 1. So another we need. Now 1, 2, 1, 2. So this kind of they make the equation, then the problem mostly happen. And then they think that we have to know about, we have to make a name. So that by this system, the ways of numeration has go to up. They also think finger. How can we count our fingers? Like this, like this. So then they develop their numeration system one by day. They make a place where they can count easily. The stones are breaked in pieces, square pieces and another kind of pieces. They try to understand all these things, and now the digital numeration. So all the things equation were so much hard, and to know that I have also gotten these things by a lot of hardship, because the matter is so much hard to know. And you know that if there is no numeration system, then there is no any calculation. Now in this time we cannot use any kind of good technology, so a lot of problems. So by that all time, the numeration was an important matter. So by that way, this was our topic today. So if you want to get more vlogs like that, follow my YouTube channel. You know that in my YouTube channel there are many kind of vlogs such as biology, biogeography, tense classes and a lot. So I am stopping my vlog here. Bye. See you in the next vlog.